on, y'all, and welcome back to a new edition of the 1216 podcast reaction section. As you see by the title, today is the day we find out if Denji actually gets to grab a hold of them titties from Power or not. That's pretty much where we left it off at. I have no idea where it could possibly go going forward. Just based off of how we ended last week's episode. I'm assuming that this is assumption. I'm assuming that there's gonna be like some kind of, like I talked about, there's gonna be some kind of mission or something that stops Denji from being able to, grab on Power before Buddy busts in and is like, hey, we need to go do a mission or something like that. So we'll see if he gets to grab up on some stuff in the first couple of minutes of the episode. But if not, he's gonna have to be able to do it at some point this season for sure. Okay, that's just where I am about that. Hopefully he does. If not, we'll see when it happens at some point in the season. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this new episode, man. Kobo. Let's go, DJ! Oh, hell no. I am dead. What do you say? I'm good. Hell no. Stuck. Right? Stuck. He's still stuck. Oh no. Will it feel like this? Is she go off of herself? It's a trap. Denji, don't fall for it. It's a trap. He finna bust. It's a trap, Denji. She got you locked in now. She got you locked in. Oh, women know what they doing, bro. Two for the price of one? Denji, my boy! He finna buzz. What you finna do, step on him? Of course he gonna do it. She know what she doing. She got you locked in, bro. It's a trap. You fool. You fool. It's a trap. Oh no. She said anything, nigga. You dick. Of course he does. He said, shit, you gonna do anything? Hell yeah. That's what I thought. It was him. Yeah. For gum. Huh? Hey, this nigga Denji getting all the love, bro. If he kill it, he get Makima and he get a kiss from her. Oh, man. He said, I'm finna go crazy. I'm dead. That means something. Go crazy. I don't. at the. Damn. That's how she lost her eye. Oh, damn. It's a ghost. He called it. It's a loop or something. Oh man, that's the episode, huh? All right. Said, well, let's go ahead get in this breakdown. So clearly, this was more of a setup episode for whatever is gonna come next week with the Gun Devil, because I'm assuming we'll see, they won't do 2 episodes like this in a row. I'm assuming we'll see them next week. So what we got was what do you say? Is that Ari or something? What you all know who I'm talking about, buddy with the ponytail. He basically we got his backstory to see why he wants to fight against the devils and all that. Obviously, he talked about losing his family and all that kind of stuff. But now we actually get, now we actually get to see who he's losing his family to. So what devil it was the Gun Devil. They track it by using the pieces that come from it to be able to find it and whatnot. They get to the hotel. You basically just see the one devil that's in there, and then at the end it's like they're looped on like the 8th floor. So even if you go down, you come down to the 8th floor. If you go up, you come up to the 8th floor. So I'm wondering how they end up like breaking that loop to be able to get out to find the devil. So is it a devil that's causing that? Is it something special about the hotel that they're in? Is it the Gun Devil who's doing that? Do we get to it has to be something. It can't just, that's not normal. It's not normal to be able to, constantly walk, no matter if you go up the stairs or down the stairs, to end up on the same floor. So it has to be something doing it. I'm just interested to see if it's the Gun Devil or something, another devil, or possibly somebody else who maybe has like another contract or something. So that's what I was talking about as well in the last episode. I wondered if that whole team that they're gonna have, if they all have like some kind of abilities or something like that. So we see 2 have contracts, one's a fiend, and then Denji is basically fused with Pochita. So I'm not exactly sure what we have demon, half devil, half human. I guess that's what we what we say. Maybe there's probably a specific name for it. I just don't remember what it is if it was said, or we haven't seen it if it hasn't been said. And obviously we gotta talk about Denji. He got to, grab power at the very, very beginning. So what they're doing is they're picking up basically where they leave off from the last episode. So I'm guessing they're gonna do that next week as well. So we got to see that, and he did it, but it didn't really mean that much to him. And then you see Makima doing all that kind of stuff to him. It's like, you heard me. I believe it'll get into the reaction part of it. But I'm like, hey, Denji, don't fall for it, my guy. It's a trap. Don't listen. Y'all women, y'all know how to play the game, bro. Y'all know what y'all doing out here. Don't act like y'all don't know what y'all doing. Y'all know what y'all doing out here. So she was basically throwing that shit to make sure that he was gonna, basically just follow suit to help fight, get rid of the devil and all that. So, and then you also get to see the other girl, and he's basically hey, if you kill him, I'll kiss you. So it's he getting all this shit thrown at him, so he's gonna stay motivated as long as he's getting shit thrown at him. I can't blame him. Y'all know what y'all doing, women out there. So for a setup episode, it was a good episode. Just compared to the last week, it wasn't as good, just because we got a whole bunch of fighting and all that. Not too much action in episodes. I'm hoping we get to see the Gun Devil. Maybe that's a 2 or 3 part episode, including this one. So maybe we get to see him, and then the fight starts toward the end, and we finish it in the episode after the week after that. We'll see how it goes. Like I said, for all of the anime reactions I'm doing, and even during the podcast, the shows that we're talking about, for me, I have not read anything. So I don't know anything. Everything I watch on the anime is brand new material. I try to avoid spoilers and whatnot as much as possible. My guys know I hate spoilers. That's the one way to the one surefire way to kind of fuck up the friendship. If you telling me spoilers and shit about stuff, come on, bro. You spend all these months and whatnot waiting, watching, trying to avoid stuff, spoilers and all that kind of stuff, just for somebody to tell you. This is what me and my homie, ironically, me and my homie talked about this earlier today, because it happened for one of his homies who spoiled some stuff for Black Panther and spoiled some stuff for Endgame when that came out. So yeah, we don't do spoilers, y'all. Stay away from the spoilers. Like I said, we're saying decent setup episode compared to last week's episode. Not as great, but that was just because we got to all the fighting and whatnot with the Leech Devil. So can't wait for next episode. This didn't deter me from the show at all. I'm still locked on with it. I'm enjoying it. So if you like the video, make sure you have anything you want to say, comments on the video, how it can be improved and all that kind of stuff. Hit it up in the comments. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.